Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today in this video I will discuss with you about a website from where you can earn $50 to $60 per day using your smartphone. Yes, you heard right. And this website gives you instant payment as many dollars as you earn in a day. You can immediately withdraw those dollars to your PayPal or Binance account, and today in this video I will show you the live proof. Here you can see on the top the list of those who have withdrawn money today. If I click here, you will see that this user's location is also USA. He completed total of 21 offers and earned almost 212 so far. And his last 30 days income is almost $183. If I come down a little, you can see how many rewards he has received from any game. If these sites did not pay them, they would not use or play the game. Basically, those websites pay you to play games. Here you can see many types of games. Now the question may arise in your mind. You can earn money by playing game. But you will be surprised to know that this website will pay you 100%, and I will show you the proof. Now you can think that then here is the benefit of the website. Actually, this website will not pay you by itself. The owners of those apps and games will basically pay you. I am also telling you that when a company launches any new apps or games on Google Play Store, then they run ads for marketing, and once people start to use them, then the market value of their apps and games are increased, and that time they earn a lot of profit for it. That's it. First they invest, and after that earn profit. And here if I show you how many people are earning money from here every day, then maybe you will believe. So the name of the website is free cash. So without further delay, let's see how you can earn money using free cash website with your smartphone. So first you have to bring up your web browser and type here to search free cash. Once you have typed, now press enter, and the Google search the first link below the website. So click to open this web page. After that such a kind of window will be appear in front of you. From here you need to create an account to earn money by playing games. For that you have to click on sync up option. Here you can sync up with email or Steam account, but I think it is better to sync up with the help of Google account. So I am typing here my email, and here you have to create a strong password. After typing email and password, click to check this tick mark and click to sync up. Then you will get a notification. Simply we can skip this, or you can click on this. So that is you to how you can use this website. Okay, so I am simply click on skip. After that you have to go to your Gmail inbox, and here you will get a mail. Basically they wants to verify your mail, so simply open the mail and click on this. After that it will open your profile which one you have just created. So that means your account is now verified and you are ready for earn money. So once they complete to verify, they give a single bonus to new users when they create an account. For that you need to click on this notification icon on the very top right side. Here you will be asked to given a referral code. If you have someone's referral code, otherwise simply copy it for free from here and paste it in the referral box. Since I don't have anyone's referral code, that's why I am just copy this code free and paste here in the box, and after that click on open cash. So we have got $0.05 bonus. That's not bad for me. So here you can see the bonus has been added, and now here you can see the daily leaderboard. Every day this website pay you a small amount bonus. Among the highest earners per day, the first 100 earners are given this bonus. Here you can see today who will be first will get $50 bonus. who will be second will get $35 bonus, and who will be third will get $17 bonus. And here also every month they give $5,000 bonus to the first 1000 users. Here you can see this month who will be first will get 500 bonus, who will be second will get $350 bonus, and whoever comes third will get $175 bonus. Also here you can see on the top the list of those who have withdraw money today. If I click here, I can see that the user's location is United States. He has completed total of 143 offers and has earned almost $66, and this is his last 30 days earning. If I click on another profile, I can see that this user's location is Thailand. He complete a total of 456 offers and earn almost $129, and his last 30 days income is $22. Here also if I click another profile, you will see that this user's location is USA. He completed a total of 21 offers and earned almost $212, and his last 30 days income is $183. If I come down a little down, you can see how many rewards he has received from the games. If this site did not pay, then they would not use or play the game. Now you can earn a certain amount of money by installing any game from here. If I click on a game, you can see that you can earn $24 by playing this game. That is, if you can pass each stage of the game, you will get a certain amount of money. If we click on one more game, you can see that you can earn this game by $36. Now if you click here, you will see a QR code, because you can play those games only using smartphone, because those games are not for Windows. So now let's see how you can withdraw money from here. So you just need to click on this left side cash out option, and here you will see the withdraw method. You can use your PayPal account, Binance account, Stake and Ethereum account, and also many more. You can rest assured that this website will pay your money. You will get your withdrawal within 1 week of the first withdrawal, and later you will get payment within 15 to 20 minutes of withdrawal. So I hope this video will help for you to earn money. If it is, then don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button over there. If you have any type of question, then comment on the comment section. I will reply you. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.